In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send your current location on Messenger. This allows friends or family to find you easily in emergencies, ensures accurate meetups, and provides peace of mind when traveling alone. To do this, simply head to your Messenger. Onto the chat page, select anyone you wish to share your location with. You will want to tap onto this plus icon and select location right here. Tap right here to add the pin icon. Now select your exact location. Tap on Start Sharing Live Location to send your current location to them. By sending your real-time location, you can save time and reduce misunderstandings while staying connected with others. Well, that's how easy it is to share your current location to someone on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.